हेलो हेलो हेलो। आवाज़ आ रही है बच्चों? हाय अननोन गर्ल। हाय डेटाबेस। एक मिनट वन। कैसा आ रहा है? हाय एवरीवन। इधर कैसे चला गया? फिर उधर उनको दिखने में इसलिए उधर किया है के 1 सेकेंड स्टूडेंट्स। Are you all able to see, students? Yes, no, yes, no. Come on, fast. Hi all. Hi Raja. Will we start, students? Where is Kartike, Heat? Sorry for today, got stuck in rain, so it got delayed. Okay. Hello Shiv Yogi. Hi Karthik. Chalo chalo. So what we have to do today, we'll finish the chapter relation and function. Huh? Very simple chapter, relation and function, but very, very, very important. Okay. For your examination point of view, very, very, very important. So for CET, like 5 questions you can expect. Okay. If CET is in good mood, Comedk is in good mood, 3 to 5 questions you can easily expect. Not very difficult question. Okay. Simple and easy questions. So it's very important. Okay. Voice and everything is clear. Any doubt, any difficulty in that? We'll start then. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Chalo. Damn good. So first, before starting relation, we'll learn about Cartesian product. Very simple. We learn what is a set. Okay. Now we'll learn about what is Cartesian product between two sets. See, the moment we got sets, Karthik came, Lucky came, who all is missing? A lot of people today, students, we are doing a bit less class because a lot of students, they have exam tomorrow for the Hindi part. Okay. So tomorrow onwards, the class will go on a bit high range. Okay. So gear up everybody. Tomorrow onwards, classes will start to go with a very high range. Okay. So it's time to take the high road. Now you all know the way I teach. Okay. And you all are accustomed the way I'm teaching everything, the methodology and everything. So now it's time to pick up the pace. Okay. You all are good to go now. Now what we have taken? We have taken 2 empty sets, A and B. Okay, 2 non-empty sets we have taken. So non-empty means something or the other is filled. Simple. So here the set A contains small element A and B, and set B contains an element C and D. What is the Cartesian product A cross B? So A cross B is defined as the mapping from each and every element of A to every element of B. So A is mapped to C, and then A is again mapped to D. So we got AC, AD. Then this element B is mapped to C and then mapped to D. So BC and BD. Clear? So this is known as Cartesian product A cross B. This is known as Cartesian product A cross B. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? If I give a simple question to all to do, A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to A and B, find A cross B. Very simple question. Come on, write down in the chat section. You just need to write the elements. Come on, fast, fast, fast. A very simple question I have given students. Come on, write down in the chat section. Oh, 1 second, student. It went off. Chalo. 1A. What would you got? 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. Very simple. Good, good. Everybody good. It came, okay. Okay. Now, next. So this one we got it. Let's see the next part. Now we have A cross B done. Now let's say next talk about if the number of elements in A is how many here? 3. And the number of elements in B is, student, how many? 2. So what is the number of element in A cross B? Just multiply. You will get how many? 6. Correct? Yes or no? Now we'll get up a general formula. What is the general formula? If the number of elements in A is X and the number of elements in B is Y, so then number of elements in A cross B is what? X into Y. Any doubt, anybody? Yes, no, yes, no in the chat section. Come on fast. Yes, no in the chat section. Come on fast. Any doubt, anybody? Keshav not there. I think so he's preparing for exam. Okay. No doubt. Good. Let's see the next part. Now, in relations, okay, or when they say the Cartesian products are equal. So let's say sometimes they'll give you x plus 1 comma y minus 3 is equal to 4 comma 2. What will be the answer of x and y? Find the answer of x and y. Rahul, no. Hi Rahul, you didn't understand or you don't have any doubt? If you don't have any doubt, type ND, no doubt. Okay. And if you have doubt, then I'll explain, no issues. Come on, everybody, come on, fast. Very simple question. Whenever two Cartesian products, okay, this is one part, this is another, when they are equal, it means the first part is equal to this first part and the second part is equal to this second part. So find the answers fast in the chat section. Come on. 3, 5, very good. 3, 5, very simple. Nothing is there, okay. Just sometimes they'll put up questions, okay. So we get scared, so that's why I'm just putting it up here and there. Small things also, okay. Clear. Chalo. Now, we talked about A cross A. Now we'll talk about A cross A. So let's see how we do that. Clear? So let's take a page. I've given you A is equal to 1. B is equal to, A is again equal to 1. Okay. Then what we have? Find A cross A. Let's see who can find it. Try. A cross A cross A. Come on, very simple question I have given. Nothing is there in this question, just so that your concepts are good. Easy questions also you should not neglect, and tough questions also. Okay. So whatever be the question, you will be able to tackle it. Okay. So they have given A cross A cross A. What will be the answer? Will it contain 111 and a question mark, Karthik? Karthik, will it contain 111 and question mark? We got two answers. What about others? I didn't get any single answer from what? Where is that unknown girl? And what about who all didn't read? Unknown girl gave one answer. What about Lucky? Lucky didn't give any answer in this. Shiv Yogi, try to put up answers. Right or wrong, doesn't matter, doesn't care. We're here to learn one simple objective. You came here just to learn. So no shame in learning, okay? Put your answers, right or wrong, doesn't matter. At least your concepts will be clarified, okay? What about others? But I want you all to write fast so that we can, take care of a lot of content. Otherwise, it becomes difficult, okay? Though chat section loads very slow, so try to be a bit fast, student, okay? So it will be easier on my part to maintain. Come on, students. Let's see. Nobody else is writing answer. Okay, let me show you then. See, we already know A and A. If I do a mapping, A contains 1, this contains 1s. So 1 and 1 will be mapped. So if I do A cross A, student, what I'll get? Simple, normal logic. Don't complicate things, okay? What I'll get? Curly bracket 1 comma 1. Now this whole A cross A is one set, okay? That contains the element 1 comma 1. That is mapped with 1. So what will happen? 1 comma 1 mapped with 1. Done. Clear, everybody? What I showed, this one element is mapping with this. Clear? Now this same thing, can it be 1 comma 1 comma 1? Come on, let's see a very simple but good question. A lot of people, they do mistake here. Will it be this? Will it be this? Let's see, you can say. Will it be the first option? Let's say put it A and second option B. How many people can think? A or B? No answers? No. What is the answer? No. Heath. Karthike, A. What does no means, Heath? Oh, A. Okay, you wrote A. Lucky A. Think. Okay, everybody's telling A. What about Nishat? Rahul? A or B? Everybody is going for A. Let's take one more example to make you understand, okay? Understand this? Let's see, very important part, okay? Now let's see. So everybody is going for A. Let's again understand. See, right or wrong, we don't know. Let's see. If I have this set, when I write 1 and 2, okay, so when this is matched, so A cross B has element what? 1 comma 2, correct? And let's say 3, so it has 1 comma 3 also, correct? Everybody agrees this much. Very simple, very easy, clear. Now when this whole thing A cross B is matched with, if I am doing C here, okay, so what is happening? Let's say 4. So can I say A cross B cross C is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 4 and 1 comma 3 comma 4? Yes, no. Let's see. Yes, no. See, this confusion a lot of students. Hi Nishat ma'am, I know unknown girl is the Nishat ma'am. Okay. So this confusion a lot of students has. So is it what I've written is right or wrong? Let's see. Now if I'm showing it like this, am I right? Am I wrong? And the reason for that. Because if you understand the reason, this part will be clear. Okay. Let's see how many people can come up with a reason. If right, why? If wrong, why? Think. Very mostly I do say the answer directly only, but here I want you all to think. Because what happens if I just make you mug up, you'll forget. Heat is telling no sir. No sir means it is wrong. Karthikeya don't know. That's why I told you to think. See, we're not expecting correct answer. I want your thinking part. That if you want to say that sir, it is correct. Here 1 and 2 is the whole element. Okay. Okay. Some answer we are coming up. Okay. What about others? It can't be submerged. Okay. Using good terms of English, submerged. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. But concept we are not able to understand. Here 1 comma 2 is the whole element. It cannot be submerged. Okay, means we cannot mix it. Okay, what about others? Heath has the idea that, sir, 1 comma 2 is a whole element. Like this is a whole element. You can't merge it with like this. Okay, what about others? Come on, let's see. She thinking along with teaching should be there. We all stop thinking. In between small packets, small thinking is needed also. Because in exam, 1 or 2 questions will be a bit difficult. So where your thinking is very important. So let's see. Come on, kids. Karthikeya telling I agree with Heath. Okay, what about others? Do you all agree with Heath? Come on. Do you all agree with Heath? Lucky also agreeing with Karthikeya. Okay. What about others? Okay. Okay. Let's see one more thing. Now, a very simple and easy question that is there in NCERT and everybody thinks so they have solved once or twice. If a is equal to minus 1 comma 1, find a cross a cross a. What will be the answer, student? It's a pretty simple NCERT question. Okay. Let's see what will be the answer. Try this one. Let's see what your answers will be. Because in this chapter few parts we need to think, okay, that are good, and it contains good reason and logic. So if you understand those, rest all is chapter is like null, nothing is there. Come on student, fast. Today a very less number of students are there, I think so they're writing exam. What will be the answer to this question, students? Class 11th NCERT book, I think so, example question or something. Yeah, either example or question number 10 of first exercise. No, that Cartesian product, yeah, first exercise. NCERT first exercise question number 10, I think so. Heath, array, no sir, I take it back. So fast. Did you open the NCERT book, Heath? Cheating, huh? Heath, did you took a sneak peek at the NCERT book? And now it's like, no sir, I want to take it back. So what are the people who are supporting Heath? Will they take it back also? Karthikeya, what is your opinion? Since Heath has withdrawn from his statement, will you stay on that or will you take it back also? It was asked in your prelims, you made it wrong, still now you are telling it wrong. Come on, 8. Karthikeya, remove the answer only. Karthikeya now came without bracket, all possible ordered pairs. Okay. So anybody took a sneak peek at the NCERT book? After telling that it is from the NCERT book, everybody is like, let's open the NCERT pages. See, a lot of times what happens is in the flow of the while solving in the book, we just do it. When somebody just twist it and ask, okay, there we get confused how it is. Okay. Nishit ma'am, after a long time you wrote the answer. Giving hands up won't help. We need to think. Okay, it's good. Like when you do questions like this and thinking, your thinking evolves. Okay, and then questions which are like good level, JE level also, we can crack it easily. So in between, you should not go too much of deep thinking everywhere. So in between something you should. Okay. So ma'am is giving sir -1, 1, like that pair will come. Okay. So everybody, what we are able to understand is, okay, if my A contains what do you say, this I could have written like this also, correct? Since there was one element, I just wrote it like -1, 1. Correct? Or is it different? See here everybody. What we'll do, let's go back to the basics. A is equal to, make a dabba. What would you have? -1 and 1 here. Correct? Now, when you're doing A cross A and A cross A, so you're making a relation from all three. Correct? So when you're making a relation, everybody has -1, -1, 1. Clear? So what you can do, this, when it is related to this, it can have an option to these two. This, when related to this, it can have an option of these two. This has an option, done. This has an option, done. So can we now find all the elements? Correct. So how many elements will be there in total? Who can say? How many elements will be there in total? N of A cross A cross A. How many elements? Total, how many elements are there? See, I told you, if this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, how many elements will be there? Just multiply. So 2 power 3, so total 8 elements will be there. How we can see? 1, and then from there 2 combinations. Clear? So 2 done. 1 here and again 2 here, correct? So 4 done. From this one, from this -1 will create 4. From this one will create 4. So total 8. Clear? Good, Karthikeya. Hi Keshav. Got a bit late, bro. Now everybody got it? How to do A cross A cross A? Yes, no in the chat section. Still go through. Think about it more in the night. Again tomorrow, I'll just explain once more. Okay? So that it is there properly in your brains. Clear? Yes, no, student. Come on. No doubt. Okay. So this is the first part, the first exercise of NCERT. That is what? And everybody did the homework. Tell me honestly, raise your hand who did the homework. What I told. What is the homework? Electric charges and fields, to study all the questions, whatever we have done, PYQ and the concepts. And the next chapter was math and debt, to do all the PYQs, correct? And along with this, NCERT examples. Did everybody did everything? Yes, no, come on fast. Honestly you will tell, okay? No dishonesty. Because see, I am here for you only. If you're not honest, we won't be able to do good. Clear? Yes, no, put it in the chat section, students. Have you done properly, not done properly? Come on, yes, no. Nobody's writing anything now. Almost done. Good. A lot of times we use this word, almost done, exactly done, okay, at least done. So we should know the difference. Because I'll be asking a lot of questions in probability about almost, exactly, and at least. Done but not perfect. Okay, make it perfect, okay, because less time, Nishat, okay? Time is less. So see, because see, every day I'll be doing some of the other chapter. So if the old chapter is left, it is in the backlog. So what will happen? It will be difficult. So always students, whenever I'm giving you time, I'm going slow. So understand that the back portions, whatever the left part, keep it revised. Okay, a very, very, very important and what to say, serious request to you all. Whenever the classes are going slow, you have time, revise the old stuff, because later when you will be doing so many things, you won't be able to you won't have the time to revise. And revision is the key. Revision is the key, because every day, if let's say I'm taking 6 hours of class, you have to study 6 hours, you won't have time much to revise. So the more you study, the more you forget. Simple logic. So you need to keep that revision loop. Okay, clear everyone? That revision loop is very, very, very important, students. Okay, don't leave that. Okay, next. Now coming to relation. Keshav didn't write what he did. Yes, Keshav, you have exam tomorrow. Now, next is Basha done. Okay, good. What is a relation? So we did, what is A cross B? Cartesian product of two non-empty sets. Now every subset of A cross B is called a relation. What is relation? Whenever we did A cross B, we got the Cartesian product. Now whatever the subsets we are generating, every subset is a relation. Every subset is a relation. Every subset of two Cartesian product, okay, is a relation. केमिस्ट्री की क्लास यूट्यूब पर क्यों नहीं लेते हो? केमिस्ट्री की क्लास यूट्यूब पे केमिस्ट्री मैम का वहाँ केमिस्ट्री मैम के वहाँ सेटअप नहीं है प्रॉपर बच्चों, ठीक है? तो मैम होम से क्लास लेती तो वो ऐप से ही क्लास जाते हैं, और फिर धीरे धीरे सारे क्लासेस आपके ऐप में ही हो जाएंगे शेड्यूल, ठीक है? चलो पीयूष, यू हैव यू डन द रिवीजन पीयूष? चलो, so what do we say about relation? First we defined Cartesian product, and then we defined every subset of a Cartesian product is a relation. Everybody got it? Very simple line. Every subset, do all repeat with me. Every subset of a Cartesian product means whenever we do A cross B, the subsets that we generate in A cross B, all of the subsets are a relation. Clear everyone? Yes, no? This single line is clear? Yes, no? Clear everyone? Yes, no, yes, no. Come on fast, come on fast. Is it clear, students? Good, Piyush, good. Revision is the key. Those who are not revising, बाद में टाइम नहीं मिलेगा ब्रो, ठीक है? तो टाइम बहुत कम रहेगा आप लोगों के पास. जैसे चैप्टर्स बढ़ते जाएंगे, the amount of time that you will have will be damn less. So keep revision, keep the revision loop. Okay, clear? Chalo. So every subset of A cross B is a relation. We all know that. Now done. Next, so we did A cross B. We took A is equal to 1 to 3 elements, B is equal to 4 and 5. So first we found out A cross B. A cross B is what? 1B, 1 4, 1 5, 2 4, 2 5, 3 4, 3 5. Now how many elements are in A? 3. How many elements are in B? 2. So number of elements in A cross B is 6. Now one thing which we learned in first chapter sets, what? EG. Karthike, what is EG? So one thing which we learned in previous chapter, if any set has, let's say x elements, if the number of elements of set A is x, so the subsets will be what, students? 2 power x. Yes or no? Everybody remembered? Subsets will be equal to what? 2 power x. So here the number of elements in A is 3, the number of elements in B is 2, and the number of elements in A cross B is what? 6. So the subsets will be what? 2 power 6. Yes or no? The subsets will be what? 2 power 6. Because how many number of elements? That 2 power, that number of elements will be the subsets. Yes or no? Everybody remembers? Yes or no? Yes or no? Clear? So the total number of relations will be nothing but 2 power 6. 2 power 6. Everybody got it? 2 power 6. Example, but now clear. Okay, okay. Clear? Okay. So we can take a simple example. Clear? We can easily take many examples in this. Don't worry, we'll be taking a lot of examples also after this. So just we got number of subsets. So this formula again very important. This formula again, those who have not written, do write it down. Very, very, very important. Okay. Now one general formula they'll put up. If the number of elements in A is X, number of elements in B is Y. So the total number of element in A cross B is how much? X into Y. Very simple. Subsets will be what, students? Subset will be 2 power xy. Clear? So this part, write it down everybody. Write down everyone. Come on, fast. Write down everyone. Write down. Done. Is it done, everybody? Come on, done everyone, very simple part. Come on. Chalo, done. Next, let's start more examples, understanding it also. Okay. Now, I have taken set A and I have taken set B. In set A, I have taken 3 elements, 1, 2, 3. In set B, I have taken 2 elements, 4 and 5. So I made the matching. Okay. So if I do the matching, what I will get? 1, 4. Cartesian product 1, 5. 2, 4. 2, 5. 3, 4. 3, 5. So total 6 elements. How many relations? 2 power 6. Done. Now, this was what? We made a relation between which two sets? A and B. A to B. A relation from A to B. Now, the set A is said to be the domain set. The set A, the elements of set A is to be said to be the domain of the relation. We made a relation between which two sets? A and B. Clear? Now the elements of set A are called as domain and the elements of set B are called as codomain. And the elements which are participating are called range. So we'll come to that also. Clear? Let's see one example to understand that. So what we have done, let's take A as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. B we have taken as 3, 4 and 5 and 6, let's say. Clear? So in this what we are doing? We are doing a matching where 1 is matched with 3, 4, 2 is matched with 2 and 5, 3 is matched with 4, 4 is matched with 5 and 5 is again matched with 3. Clear? Clear everyone? Okay. Now, if you see what are the elements of this relation, a relation is between which two set? A and B. A relation R is from where to where? A to B. Correct. Now, what will be the domain set? What will be the domain? Domain will be nothing but all the elements of set A. Domain is nothing but all the elements of set A. Clear? What about the codomain? Codomain is nothing but all the elements of set B. And what is range, student? The elements in B which are participating in the relation. 3, 4 and 5. See, 6 is not matched with anybody. So 6 is not participating. Correct? So that's why 6 is in the codomain but not in the range. Everybody got the concept of domain, codomain and range? Yes or no? Very simple, yes or no? Tell me. Fast. Come on. Kartike, yes. What about others? Come on, what about others? Keshav, yes. Basha, Nishat. Lucky. Got this part very simple. Okay. Heath also got it. Good. Okay, okay. So almost everybody got it. Pavitra, okay. Good. Now, let's see. So this part, again same question, similar, just few examples to practice. Here again we have taken two sets. A relation R is from A to A only. But some conditions are there. By that we have done the matching. And we have done the matching in such a way that A is matched to 2, 2 is matched to 3, 3 is matched to 4, 4 is matched to 5, and 5 is matched to 6. And what is that condition? The condition is we are forming a relation using this condition x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 1. Y is equal to x plus 1. Correct? So here students, what are the options which are participating in the relation? 1 comma 2, the x values is the domain values. 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 5 and 5 comma 6. Now if you see in the x part, is anywhere 6 coming? This part, this 6 is coming? No. See, earlier we didn't have any, what do you say, any condition. The moment we put up a condition, okay, and we start writing like this, understand, very important, okay. Here also a lot of people do mistake in domain range. The moment we say A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and B is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and R is a relation x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 1. In this, find the domain, codomain and range. Try everybody. Let's see. First you all try, then I'll tell you. Let's see. Try. Right or wrong doesn't matter. We are here. We are here to learn. So try everybody. 1 second, student. switch off. Yeah, Basha. Are you all able to hear? What I told is, see, Pavitra ma'am, that 7 cannot be in the this part because see, it is A cross A. Both the sets are A and A. 7 is not there. So if I take x equal to 6, I'll get y equal to 7. So 6 cannot be matched. Clear? 6 cannot be matched. So in the range it will be 2 to 6. And in the domain part will be what? Yes, Dharya, it is still possible, okay. But you can't keep asking the same thing every day. See, one student was there, though, what do you say, if he will be listening, he'll be damn happy, okay. So he used to come, he used to say, sir, 20 days left, if I work damn hard, sir, will I be able to crack the NDA? So he worked last 20 days damn hard, and per day he used to ask the same question. So today, right now, is in NDA, in this training period, okay. So if you work hard, definitely. NDA is way much harder than this. So this is simple, okay. Now will set A be the whole thing as domain, or it will be different, or it will be just the values of x which are taking part in the relation? Come on, set theory, a lot of people they have difficulty. I thought the concepts will be good, but no issues. Let's see. Whole set A or the values which are taking part in the relation. The values which are taking part in the relation. Everybody tell it, what will be the domain? What will be the answer? Whole set A or 1 to 5? Set A, Basha. Okay. You can't keep putting two answers, Basha. One answer only. Either set A or 1 to 5. You can't put both. Pavitra set A, going with that. Okay, what about others? What about others? So everybody's confirmed codomain is set A. This is nobody will have doubt, correct? This everybody agrees, correct? Yes or no? Everybody agrees to this point. Very simple. Now everybody agrees that range is equal to the values which are participating. 2, 3, 4 and 5. And 6 also. So range is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now question boils down to domain. How many people Heath 1 to 5, 1 to 5, 1 to 5, Pavitra set A, Basha 1 to 5, unknown girl, domain. Okay. Let's see. Come on, everybody. Anybody else wants to answer? Put it fast. Come on. Any other answers? Anybody else wants to put up answer? First, recollect the definition of domain. What is the definition of domain which is coming in your mind? Write down, everybody. Very important, the domain definition. See, that's why if directly you say domain is this, a lot of people they're like, okay, that's very simple, they won't understand. Domain is nothing but the domain of a relation. The domain of a relation will be what, student? Elements of set A participating in the relation. Clear? So once a relation is formed, students, for Cartesian product, okay, but once you have a relation, okay, so relation is equal to x comma y when we write like that, where y is equal to x plus 1. So here the x values what I get is the domain and the y values is the range. Always keep it in mind. Later when we'll be studying the functions, we won't be able to again explain it. All the values which we are getting of x is a domain. So domain will be 1 to 5. It may not be equal to set A. Clear? Clear everyone? Yes, no, everybody got this part. Domain is the elements which are taking part in the relation. Elements of A which are taking part in the relation. Clear? Codomain everything. And by putting the domain values, what we are getting the range values, what we are getting the y values, that is the range. Clear everyone? Yes, no in the chat section fast. Very simple concepts, but we get confused, okay? So very, very, very important, okay, to keep that in mind properly. Okay, good. Today you all have energy, no, to continue. So here same thing I have written. Now, so whenever we do a mapping, whenever we map this or what is it, associate this to this, what do we say? 5 is the image of 1 and 1 is the pre-image of 5. So this is also important. Whenever you do a relation from A to B, draw this example, okay? Draw this and write down domain is nothing but this part. Elements of A which are participating in the relation, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And codomain is all the set B. And range is the elements which are say elements of set B which are participating in the relation. Clear? Now range is also, you can see, image of elements participating in set A. So for here, what is the image? 5 is the image of 1. Very important, this a lot of people sometimes forget. 5 is the image of 1. So 1 will be what? 1 is pre-image of 5. 1 is pre-image of 5. Do write it down, everybody. Clear? Write down 5 is the image of 1. So 1 is pre-image of 5. Clear everyone? Yes, no in the chat section. Fast. Come on everybody. Come on, you can do it. Clear? Okay. Chalo. Write down this part, okay? Now I'll give you 5 minutes to all of you. Since it's a new chapter we are doing, not to do in a hurry. Just 5 minutes I'm giving you. Revise again from starting till here. So we'll go back to the next section. We'll start the functions. So from the starting till here, whatever you have done, I'm just giving you 5 minutes. Revise it and keep it. I'll be back in 5 minutes, okay? Fast, everybody. Don't go here and there. 5 minutes just to revise so that your concepts are rock solid, so you can proceed to the functions and get it done. Okay? हेलो एवरीवन। 5 मिनट से थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया ना। चलो, किसी को कोई डाउट है बच्चों? एनी डाउट? एनीबडी हैज एनी डाउट? Yes, no in the chat section. Any doubt? No, okay, good. So let's start with the next part. What is a function? So till now, first we learned Cartesian product. Okay. After learning about the Cartesian product, we learned that the subset of Cartesian product is called a relation. Now we are coming to the part what is a function. So function is a relation. Okay, it becomes a function if each and every element of set A has a unique image in set B. Means if a relation follows certain condition, it becomes a function. Types of relation, once we are done, we'll go to the 12 topics. These are the 11 topics. Okay, so first 11th topics, okay, GIF, all that functions and all, and then we'll go for types of relations. Don't worry, we'll come to all of it. Nothing will leave. Come fast, everybody, come fast. Come on, fast kids. Join fast, student, join fast. One more thing, student. How many students are good to go with this class, this timing? 8 to 11. Morning 8 to 11. Come on, everybody. Come fast. Okay. Okay. Karthik, good to go. Heat also good to go. So if you are taking a morning class from 8 to 11, that's also good. Pavitra ma'am, good to go. Okay. Now, so let me explain you, okay, all, what is a function? See, function is nothing but a relation which follows some conditions. Function is what? A relation which follows condition. What is that condition? Condition is each and every element of A should have an image first, and that image should be unique. Each and every element of A should have an image, and that image should be unique. Clear? What is that condition? This part very important. When is a relation called a function? Very important. Everybody say it. Each and every element of set A has a unique image in B. That's it, one single line. What is that? Each and every element of A has a unique image in B. That's it. Clear, everyone? Each and every element of A has a unique image in B. That's it. Clear, everyone? Yes, no, yes, no. Now, can this be called as a function? Can we call this part as a function? Yes, no. Tell me. Yes, no, yes, no. Fast. Come on, kids. Everybody join fast. Keshav. Can we call this as a function? Pavitra says first yes, then no. Keshav is yes. Heath is no. How, Keshav? How can we say? Unique image. What is the image of 1? 2. What is the image of 2? 2. So can we say it is unique? No. Or yes? Is it a function? Is it not a function? Hi Adi. Karthik is telling yes sir, it is a function. Not bad, not bad. What about others? They're saying no, it is not a function. See, understand whose uniqueness we are talking about. बिटसेट का ब्रो टाइम थोड़ा कम है, ठीक है. जितना सीटी एंड कॉमेट के में कराया जा रहा है आप उतना कर लो. ऑलमोस्ट 65 to 70 हो जाएगा. रेस्ट थोड़ा सा अलग से कराना होगा. चलो पहले ये जान लो कि किसकी यूनिकनेस के बारे में बात की जा रही है. 1 का इमेज क्या है बच्चों? 2. क्या 1 किसी और से जुड़ा हुआ है या नहीं है? Is 1 attached with anybody else? What is the image of 1? चलो एक एग्जांपल अच्छा सा लेते हैं, रुको. चलो let's take some good examples, you'll understand. This is one question. एक दूसरा क्वेश्चन लेते हैं बच्चों. हल्का लाइट. चलो बताओ दोनों में से कौन कौन सा फंक्शन है? come on fast, tell me. फर्स्ट वन फंक्शन है. Two is a function. Again, Adi, we don't know. Like it might be okay that Comedk is postponed or CT might be, but chances look very slim. As of now, like it should have been like the notice of circular, but nothing came. So take it on the negative side. Work for both. It's better to work. Okay. So how many people say it is a function? Adi saying both are functions. Okay. Pavitra saying both. Lucky saying second is the function. Heath is saying both. So, अब इसको थोड़ा से सिंपल शब्दों में समझो बच्चों, ठीक है। सेट a relation from set A to set B is a function if every element of A has one and only one image in B, ठीक है। Now this line will make the things more clear. अब ये क्या बोल रही है लाइन, समझो। A relation from set A to B, कोई भी एक रिलेशन जो A से B तक है, ठीक है, उसको हम फंक्शन कब बोलते हैं? When we say that is a function if every element of A means A का हर एक एलिमेंट का सिर्फ कितना इमेज हो, एक ही इमेज हो B में, इट हैज ओनली वन इमेज इन B, ठीक है। तो इस एलिमेंट का एक ही इमेज है ना, तो ये इसके इमेज मतलब इसका इमेज तो यूनिक हुआ ना। अब मे बी देखो 2 का इमेज क्या है 6, क्या 2 का कोई और इमेज है लाइक 7 और एनीथिंग, नो, तो ये फंक्शन हो जाएगा। 3 का इमेज क्या है 6, तो यूनिक है ना। सो मीन्स एलिमेंट ऑफ ए सेट शुड नॉट बी अटैच विद 2 एलिमेंट्स ऑफ बी। Elements of A set should not be attached with more than one images of B. You can say like that. ठीक है, क्लियर बच्चों, क्लियर एवरीवन। आपके जो A के एलिमेंट्स है उनका सिर्फ और सिर्फ अटैचमेंट क्या है, एक एलिमेंट से होना चाहिए। तो इसका मतलब उनका अटैचमेंट जो ये इमेज है वो सिर्फ एक ही है, इमेज ऑफ एलिमेंट 1 इज व्हाट 5। तो यूनिक हुआ ना, एक ही इमेज है, क्लियर। चलो, तो दोनों ही फंक्शन है बच्चों, ये वाला भी, क्लियर एवरीवन? यस नो, यस नो। चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आप लोगों को क्या करना है, एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है। What you have to do, draw the graph of y is equal to mod x. Draw the graph of y is equal to mod x. सब बच्चों को ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है y equal to mod x एंड बताना है whether it is a function or not. It is a function or not. और अगर ये फंक्शन है then what is the range, domain and codomain. ये 3 चीजें आपको करनी है जल्दी से, ठीक है। What we have to do, we have to draw the graph of y is equal to mod x. Then we have to say is it a function or not. Then if it is a function then we have to say about domain, range and codomain. Fast, fast, fast. किधर गए भाषा सर? चलो बच्चों, फास्ट फास्ट फास्ट। आपको सिर्फ 2 मिनट दिया जाएगा। I'll put the timer. कार्तिक ने लिख दिया फंक्शन तो है भैया, डोमेन आर है, कोडोमेन आर प्लस है, रेंज आर प्लस है। चलो बाकी बच्चे कमान एवरीबॉडी, चलो 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 जल्दी फास्ट। चेंज नहीं करना है कार्तिक भाई, चेंज नहीं करना है, जो आंसर देना है एक बार, क्योंकि वो चेंज वाली हैबिट अगर रह गई तो एग्जाम में क्या लगेगा, शायद ही नहीं होगा, शायद ही नहीं होगा। तो एक बार आंसर गलत डाल दिया, आपको जो भी आंसर डालना है थोड़ा सोच लो फिर डालो, क्योंकि एक बार आपने गलत मार्क कर दिया एक क्वेश्चन के लिए तो क्या होगा, वो बैक ऑफ द हेड आपका चलते रहेगा। फॉर वन क्वेश्चन आई हैव डन रॉन्ग मार्किंग, वो पूरा का पूरा पेपर को बर्बाद कर देगा। ठीक है, so try to give the correct answer, wrong answer in one go. Done. How much you want to think before, after that once you have given the answer, no thinking. Range R plus, बाकी चीजों के बारे में क्या है? For CT and Comet papers आप लोग ऐप डाउनलोड कर लो SAM classes, and from there I have uploaded the original paper for chemistry also बच्चों. In the notes section you can go and download also. Clear? And do inform your friends who needs question papers or any other help about the channel, okay? Come on, what about others? किधर गए? आदि सर, लकी सर, हित किधर? आंसर बहुत ही सीधा सा सवाल था, गलत या सही डजंट मैटर भैया, पहले तो ड्राइंग आनी चाहिए। ठीक है, तो देखो ड्राइंग कैसे करते हैं और फिर बात करेंगे रेंज और डोमेन पे। ठीक है, चलो पहले ड्राइंग कर लेते हैं भैया, अपने को तो पहले ड्राइंग आनी चाहिए ग्राफ का। y इक्वल टू मॉड एक्स। अब ये मॉड वाले भैया कहानी क्या सुनाते, जरा ध्यान से सुनो। मॉड वाले भैया का कहना है एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू, भैया हम तो पॉजिटिव है अगर आप पॉजिटिव हो, और अगर आप नेगेटिव हो तो हम एक डंडा लगा के आ जाते हैं माइनस लेके। ठीक है, व्हाट इट सेज दैट इफ द वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 देन आई कम आउट ऑफ द ब्रैकेट एज इट इज। मैं मॉड से जस्ट ऐसे निकल जाता हूँ। एंड इफ आई एम लेस देन 0, अगर 0 से नेगेटिव हो तो मैं माइनस लेके आता हूँ। भैया कोई एक सहारा तो चाहिए। ठीक है, तो ग्राफ कैसे बनाएंगे, तो पहले हमने पॉजिटिव वैल्यू डाली भैया, पॉजिटिव वैल्यू डालने पे x में जो डाला y भी वही आया, तो आ गया 2 पे 2 आ गया। देखो ग्राफ मीन्स क्या होता है, पॉइंट को डालना है, प्लॉट करना है। 3 में कितना हुआ, 3 आ गया, ये ग्राफ ऐसे बढ़ गया 0 में 0। अब जैसे ही माइनस डाला, वेन एवर आई एम पुटिंग अ नेगेटिव वैल्यू x इक्वल टू -1, इट कम्स विथ माइनस ऑफ -1, तो क्या मिला मुझे वैल्यू 1, फॉर -2 2, फॉर -3 3, तो ग्राफ तो मेरा बन गया ऐसे। ठीक है, याद नहीं करना है, ग्राफ तो बन गया मजे से। अब देखो ग्राफ जैसे बन गया तो कुछ याद नहीं करना। डोमेन क्या होता है भैया, द मोमेंट वी नो द ग्राफ, डोमेन इज नथिंग बट द एक्स वैल्यूज। इज देयर एनी कंडीशन इन द एक्स वैल्यूज, आई एम टेकिंग पॉजिटिव एक्स वैल्यूज ऑल्सो, नेगेटिव ऑल्सो। सो ऑल रियल नंबर्स, इसको ऐसे भी लिखते हैं -∞ से इन्फिनिटी तक। कोई दिक्कत बताओ जल्दी से, कोई दिक्कत? ठीक है, वी राइट -∞ टू +∞, नो इश्यूज। ओके, सो डोमेन इज what all the values of x I'm able to take, there is no discrimination. What about range? Range means what the values of y I'm getting. See, if you see about y, I'm not able to go down below 0, correct? I'm only getting positive numbers and 0. So I can write r plus all positive numbers including 0, or I can write 0 to infinity, or I can write 0 to infinity. Clear? Third, what about codomain? कोडोमेन मीन्स सेकेंड सेट, करेक्ट. कोडोमेन में क्या होगा बच्चों? ऑल रियल नंबर्स, करेक्ट. क्लियर? यस नो यस नो. कितने बच्चों का आंसर सही था? रेंज आर प्लस नहीं लिखना बच्चों. आर प्लस मतलब पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर, जीरो को भी डालना है, या तो जीरो टू इन्फिनिटी. ठीक है, पॉजिटिव में बहुत बार ले लेते हैं, बट बेटर है जीरो टू इन्फिनिटी. क्लियर? चलो, एनी डाउट एनीबडी? एनी डाउट एनीबडी? Anybody has any doubt? Clear. Karthik is clear. What about others? Clear, not clear? What about others बच्चों? जल्दी जल्दी लिखो चैट पे. क्लियर, नॉट क्लियर, क्लियर, नॉट क्लियर. डाउट है तो बता देंगे. हाय हंग्री. हंग्री डायनो, नॉट बैड. चलो, सबको क्लियर है. चलो चलो चलो, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कांस्टेंट फंक्शन देख लो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है? कांस्टेंट फंक्शन है. कांस्टेंट फंक्शन किसी को कहते हैं? y इज इक्वल टू एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू के. वैल्यू चेंज ही नहीं हो रही है, वॉट एवर यू चेंज इन एक्स. ओके सर जी, वॉट एवर यू चेंज इन एक्स इट विल ऑलवेज रिमेन सेम. ड्रॉ करो डायग्राम. बेसिकली मान लो y इज इक्वल टू 2 का डायग्राम ड्रॉ करो. कैसे बनाएंगे? y इज इक्वल टू 2, ये बन गया y इक्वल टू 2, करेक्ट. तो डोमेन क्या है सर जी इसका? व्हाट इज द डोमेन हेयर? x में क्या क्या वैल्यूज ले रहा है? सारे. आप x का कुछ भी वैल्यूज डालो, कोई चेंज नहीं. सो डोमेन ऑल रियल नंबर. रेंज क्या है भैया? भैया रेंज ये तो सिर्फ ये वाली वैल्यू ले रहा है. y का वैल्यू क्या है? सिर्फ और सिर्फ 2, या सिर्फ और सिर्फ k, वॉट एवर इट इज. आप जो भी कॉन्स्टेंट डालो. एंड को डोमेन क्या है? अगेन ऑल रियल नंबर्स. क्लियर? यस नो यस नो यस नो, फास्ट. हंग्री डायनो. टू का मतलब क्या सर? ऑरेंज में वैल्यू. चलो नेक्स्ट, y इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर का ग्राफ बनाओ. देखें कितने बच्चों को आता है. बड़ा ही सिंपल सा सुंदर सा ग्राफ है. ठीक है, जल्दी से बनाओ बच्चों. देखें, चलो 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 फास्ट. पैराबोला अपवर्ड, ठीक है चलो, वो तो याद है. पैराबोला वर्टेक्स एट ओरिजिन, चलो ये भी बच्चों को याद है. भैया रेंज, डोमेन और कोडोमेन बता दो जल्दी से. जस्ट टेल इट फास्ट. व्हाट इज रेंज, डोमेन एंड कोडोमेन? कम ऑन फास्ट. रेंज, डोमेन और कोडोमेन बता दो बच्चों. और जिन बच्चों को नहीं आ रहा होगा, डोंट कीप अ डाउट, डोंट कीप एनी काइंड ऑफ हेजिटेशन, डू आस्क इट. ओके, if you don't know, you are here to learn. There is no shame in learning. Don't hesitate. Okay, directly ask it. Come on fast. One second बच्चों. चलो लेट्स सी आंसर्स आ चुका है बच्चों। हीत सर ने कहा मॉड एक्स सेम एज मॉड एक्स, हंग्री डायनो रेंज पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर्स डोमेन आर। तो देख लेते हैं, वक्त आ चुका है। तो रेंज तो 0 से इन्फिनिटी बड़ा ही सिंपल था, डोमेन ऑल रियल नंबर्स, कोडोमेन भी पता हमें। चलो रेंज 0 टू इन्फिनिटी, डोमेन आर, चलो सारे बच्चों को अब लगभग आइडिया हो गया। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं y इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब, कितने बच्चे बना पाते हैं y इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब का ग्राफ। ट्राई टू ड्रॉ द ग्राफ ऑफ y इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब, y इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब। लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी पीपल कैन डू इट। चलो 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 फास्ट। Oh, we're getting. Oh, why so late class? Today got stuck in rain. I was badly stuck in rain, okay? So that's why class got delayed. It's raining like anything in Bangalore, okay? So roads were like fully flooded, it was raining. We were not able to drive, so got stuck. So class was supposed to start by 9. We started by what? 10:30, 10:45 something. Why so late? Not bad, not bad. Range R minus, range R plus or minus. ऐसा कोई आंसर नहीं होता R plus or minus. See, it can be either R plus or R minus. Or you can say both R, not plus minus. हाँ ठीक है, ये ठीक आंसर है। R, डोमेन R, करेक्ट। देखो एक्स क्यूब में कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है ना, एक्स क्यूब में देयर इज नो डिफिकल्टी इन एक्स क्यूब। whatever values of 1 you'll put, x you'll put, you'll get y. 2, 3 it will go up, down it will go down. So domain will be what? All real values. Range is what? All real numbers. So there is no difficulty. Clear? So why there was a thinking thought range plus minus? Correct. Domain and range both are R. Nothing. Domain is what, students? Again, let me rephrase. X values. Domain is what? X values. I'm taking. Is there any difficulty in taking X value? No. I can take any value of X. I can take positive. I can take negative. I can take 0. Same thing. The moment I'm taking X, Y also I can get anything positive, negative, 0. Correct. So both are all real numbers. So when the domain and range are real numbers, we call as it has real valued functions also. Clear? Anybody, any doubt till here? Come on fast. किसी को किसी तरह का भी कोई डाउट है बच्चों? चलो चलो जल्दी फास्ट. Nobody has any doubt? Very good. Heath, Lucky, no doubt. Will we move on to the next part? Good, Pavitra ma'am. Thank you, Angry. Okay. Work hard and best of luck. चलो चलो बच्चों, नेक्स्ट सिग्नम फंक्शन ट्राई करो बच्चों. देखिए कितने बच्चों को याद आता है सिग्नम फंक्शन. y इक्वल टू मॉड एक्स बाई एक्स, कितने बच्चों को आता है? हाय पिनाकी. y इक्वल टू मॉड एक्स बाई एक्स, कितने बच्चों को आता है? चलो चलो ट्राई करो. लेट्स सी. First we have to draw the graph, then we have to find the range and domain. That's it. 3 things. ग्राफ बनाना है, रेंज और डोमेन निकालना है, बस इतना ही करना है. We have to do 3 things. We have to draw the graph, find the range and domain, students. Nobody is here who is having an exam tomorrow, correct? Hi Aman. Nobody is here having an exam tomorrow, correct? Chalo. Whoever is having an exam tomorrow, best of luck for tomorrow. So go home, sleep and write the best exam tomorrow. चलो, try to draw the graph y is equal to mod x by x. देखो ग्राफ का थोड़ा सा पॉइंट मैं बता देता हूँ. When x is greater than 0 तो ये वैल्यू हो जाती है 1 x by x. When x is less than 0 ये वैल्यू हो जाती है -1. एंड फॉर 0 हम डिफाइन करते हैं 0 पे. ठीक है, तो इसका ग्राफ इस तरह का बनता है बच्चों. फॉर x ग्रेटर देन 0 ये डेफिनेशन आपको पता होनी चाहिए. यू शुड नो एंड रिमेंबर दिस डेफिनेशन. फॉर x greater than 0 it is x by x, so what you will get 1. And for x equal to 0 will get 0, and for x less than 0 it is minus x by x, because mod will be opening as minus x, so we'll get -1. So 3 points we just get. One is 0, this will be open, and then like this. For every value of x which is in the positive it will be 1. For every negative value it will be -1. So domain is all real numbers. We can take every value of x. Domain is all real numbers, but the range is only exact 3 values: 1, 0 and -1. 1, 0 and -1. Clear everyone? Everybody got it? Never hesitate to ask a question, okay? There should not be any kind of shyness for asking questions. You are here to learn. You should ask questions, okay? चलो, किसी को किसी भी तरह का कोई डाउट बच्चों? If you have any kind of doubt, put it in the chat section. If you don't have doubt, put a ND. No doubt, sir. And for those who has done the same diagram, well done, good. For those who are tea lovers, you can have a tea. And there is nothing bad in having a coffee, okay? Yeah, slowly we'll be taking physics and maths class in the morning, don't worry. Around 8 to 11, 8 to 11, okay? It can go 8 to 12 also, in between a half an hour break, okay? Clear? Chalo, everybody got it? Chalo, everybody got it? No doubt, no doubt. One last function, GIF. GIF function. चलो बच्चों, कितने बच्चों को याद है GIF, ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन? कैसे करेंगे? जल्दी ट्राई करो. We'll keep the class up till GIF. Come on, fast. चलो बच्चों, GIF फंक्शन फास्ट. ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन. अब देखो कहानी सुनो ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन की. भैया ये कहते हैं हम ग्रेटेस्ट है, बट है उल्टा. ठीक है, इट सेज आई एम ग्रेटेस्ट बट इट इज नॉट. लेट्स सी, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, चलो अब देखो ये ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन को हम लोग डिनोट करते हैं विद दिस डब्बा. वी डिनोट द ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन विद दिस डब्बा. लेट्स से आई वांट टू फाइंड द ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर वैल्यू फॉर दिस 2.3 बॉक्स 2.3. नाउ फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट 2.3 lies between which two integer? You will say, sir, 2, answer 3. Now, according to greatest integer function, it takes the least integer nearest to him. It takes the least integer. Clear? Though the name is greatest integer function, but it takes the least integer value. Clear? So, box 2.3 will give you the answer as 2. So, same way, if I have box 3.9, what it will give me? See, it is near to 3 and 4, but the smallest, the lowest integer value, that will be 3. Clear? So what it does, though it said greatest integer function, but it always takes the least integer value. Clear? Now if I have 0.7, what it does, it lies between what? Which and which value? 0 and 1. So what is the smallest value it can take? 0. Clear everybody? Do not get confused in that. Now seeing the graph. So if my values is from 0 to 1, it will take what? 0. So from 0 to 1 0 included, 1 not included, it is taking 0. From 1 to 2, 1 included, 0, 2 not included, it is taking 1. So like that we have a slope function, like a staircase. Clear? So what will be the domain? All real numbers, range, integers. Range, Pavitra ma'am, wrong. See, it doesn't take any other number. It doesn't take half, it doesn't take 2 by 3, anything, any fraction it doesn't take. So range, what is it? It just take in the y, 1, 2, 3, integral values. Integral values or integers. Clear, Pavitra ma'am? Integral values or integers it just take, okay? That's why it is greatest integer function, but it behaves as a least integer. Clear? Yes, no, सारे बच्चे इस वाले ग्राफ को बना लो. This point very important. A lot of questions of your JEE also will be solved like this. ठीक है? JEE mains, for those students who are writing JEE mains also, a lot of your questions will be done simple. ठीक है? If you get time after CET and you have time, will a bit just check for mains also. Don't worry. Chalo, everybody clear? No doubt. Just check, see these two, just for the reference I'm given. If you have more graphs, x square, x power 4, x power 6, what do you do? This slope, the graph is same, domain is same, r, range is from 0 to infinity, just like x square. So domain and range, there is no change. Same thing for x cube, x power 5, x power 7, same thing, okay? They behave like same thing. No change in that, okay? Only the slope will change. See, this is going like this. If I put x power 4, it will be much steeper. Means the moment I increase a bit of x, y will increase, get faster. Correct? For x power 6, it will be more steeper. Nothing more than that. Clear, बच्चों? Range and domain में कोई भी change नहीं है. Clear? So I want everybody to revise till here and come. To revise till here, to attend the class and then come. Okay? Clear, everyone? चलो बच्चों, क्लियर? तो आज की कक्षा यहीं तक समाप्त करें. क्लियर? चलो, तो मिलते हैं बच्चों कल, फिर कल की कक्षा में. ठीक है? So everybody, good night. Okay, जाके आप लोग सो जाओ. When will be the class? Most probably हीत कल हम लोग 8 to 11 क्लास ले लेंगे. ठीक है? मॉर्निंग में 8 to 11 क्लास खत्म कर देंगे मैथ्स की. ठीक है? चलो, मॉर्निंग 8 to 11 शार्प बी देयर. ओके, चलो एवरीबडी, मॉर्निंग 8 to 11 बी शार्प बी देयर. ओके, डिले नहीं करना है और ईमानदारी से रिवीजन करना है. सुबह उठ के रिवीजन कर लेना, जो रात को पढ़ते हो रात को पढ़ लेना. ठीक है? चलो, and do inform all your friends about the channel. Okay, and do put it in the status so that a lot of people, they can see, they can download the sample papers. Wherever you can send it to the students so that they can download the sample paper for the question paper for Comedk and CET. Okay, chapter wise made it for them. Okay, चलो, best of luck students. तो मिलते हैं कल फिर. ठीक है? Thank you all for doing the class. Work hard. Only thing is, you have to be consistent. अभी का तो ठीक चल रहा है. But what happens is, as the day will pass, you will be getting tired. Okay, so you have to maintain that energy till the time you write the exam. Last 10 days will be very tough. I'm telling it. If you're working hard, last 10 days, don't give up that soon. Okay, chalo. Anybody has any other doubts? Otherwise, I'll end the stream. If you have any other doubts, you want to ask anything, you can ask. If not, then I'll end the stream. Okay? Anybody has any doubts, you can ask. If not, I'll end the stream. I don't think so anybody has any doubts. Okay? Okay, good, Pavitra.